Get ready for the dictation. Start. Startup India is a much needed initiative that was started by Narendra Modi in 2015. We all know India is a land full of talented people. However, the youth does not have many opportunities to fulfill their dreams and ambitions. Thus, this campaign is a great kick-start for the youth to accomplish their goals. Our Prime Minister announced it on Independence Day. It got launched on 16th January to give a helping hand to the youth. It is a known fact that youth is a very energetic and capable lot. However, this energy and enthusiasm of theirs do not often go in the right direction. This campaign will aim to do exactly that. It will channel this energy in the right direction. This will ensure that the youths get the needed help from the government. Furthermore, it is a commendable initiative that allows the youth to touch newer heights. It will give them the resources that will allow them to fulfill their dream of becoming an industrialist or entrepreneur. These things require a startup network which this campaign will provide. Basically, it means that banks will offer finances to these youth for creating better employment opportunities in the country. In other words, it aims to make the youth employed so we can eliminate the problem of unemployment in India. This initiative will help many startups accomplish success and they will finally be able to direct their innovation and creativity in the right direction. This financial support comes as a sign of great relief to the youth. The PM urged the banks to support one Dalit and one woman entrepreneur at least to maintain inclusivity. It is a great step that will help the newcomers in the industry get a head start in their career. Furthermore, it will also boost the economy of the country. After its announcement in 2015, the action plan of the scheme was launched in 2016. It aims to boost the entrepreneurship of our country amongst the masses. It basically aims to include all levels of society from the lowest to the highest. The newer thinking and perspectives of the youth are better options that will be more likely to succeed as a startup. When they launched this campaign successfully, they got in touch with several IITs, IIMs, NITs, and other central universities of India. The major part of the action plan was to offer them promote bank financing. Further, it also provided startup ventures with incentives that will help in boosting their entrepreneurship. In short, this scheme served as a great method to lead the youth in the right way. The greatest point was targeting the youth as they do have a lot of potentials. This initiative just gave it the right direction to channelize it properly. In other words, the youth of our country are better in terms of creating new ideas and notions. Thus, it is a wise decision to help them achieve greater heights from a young age. Stop.